welcome back to Inktoberfest day 13. We are nearly halfway through. Hopefully you're building up your tag book like I am here. So yesterday we worked on our alcohol pearls, and today we're on alcohol inks, but just in marker format. And I'm going to be showing you some cool techniques that you can practice at home. We're going to be making our own backgrounds, and you can absolutely do this at home. It's a really cool technique to practice, and I think you're absolutely going to love this. Now, if you're taking part in our alcohol marker challenge, you will also be practicing these techniques. And if you haven't seen our challenge, check it out. It's going to be in the description below. It's only 14 days and it's really good fun. You will notice such a difference in your coloring over that 14-day period. We do lots of exercises. We show you a complete transformation in your coloring techniques. You can start again on November 1st. There's a box of supplies that comes with the challenge as well. Plus a ton of other goodies as well. You can check it out at thecraftchallenge.com. But here I have the Spectrum Noir Illustrator markers. I have the landscape set, which is my big set here, and I have the basic set. And you'll notice they have a brush nib and they have a bullet nib. These are their kind of like professional range, so they're premium tips. They're slightly different to kind of the regular Spectrum Noirs, which we'll be using in another Inktoberfest video. They're alcohol ink, so they're similar to something like the Copics or what else am I thinking of? You've obviously got the Spectrum Noirs that we've used before, like the Tri-Blends. This is a full-size marker, so it has lots more ink in it. So they come in individual colors, 216 color options for you. And today we're using the brush tip, okay? And I want to show you something super, super cool. So the pens themselves are kind of like a geometric shape. They come in these trays. There's also a really lovely marker storage solution that Spectrum Noir did. And if you saw my marker storage wall, it was way, way ago when I actually used to have this down here as my craft room. I had a marker wall and I absolutely adored it. It's still in our storage and organization playlist. You can go check it out, and they were all Spectrum Noir trays and they're amazing. I still have them. I use them for all sorts of different things now, but go check that out. It's really, really great. But this is what the pens look like. Okay, so they have two longer sides and two shorter sides like this. And let me pull two lids off. So this is what the pen looks like. They are refillable as well, so you can check that out. And the one that has this double line here, this is your brush tip, but they also have the illustrations on them to make it nice and easy. There is also a coding on the end, so if you want to check that out, you can check out how that coding works as well. You've got DR, which I believe from memory is dark red. But today I want to show you just really simply how to use brush tips. Okay, so brush tips can be really your friends. You can do some amazing artwork with them. As I say, if you're doing the alcohol marker challenge, you'll have been practicing this, and I just want to give you like a little bit of a sneak peek of some of the things we do. So what you're going to do is take your marker and you're going to take the fine tip and you're going to go and just lay it down like that, and then you're going to take the tip again in exactly the same place and it makes a heart. And then of course what you can do is make a background. Now you can make it random or you can make it geometric. So you see how I'm trying to do this. I'm a lefty, so it's a little bit harder, but I'm going to do some rows to start with. Do two evenish rows. So if I cover it up, mine are much more even, you can see. Or you could offset them slightly like this. So you see my tip goes straight back on. So I put one piece down like this, and then I'm going to take my tip back to the same place it was before and then just offset it slightly. So I'm going tip and down, and then I'm going to put my tip in the same place and put it down again. I'm really trying not to hide it with my hand. So tip and down, tip and down, tip and down, tip and down. And you can open them up, or you can do them more closed. You can do it really random, or you can do it less random. But you see it just makes like the cutest little background. And I am not artistic in the slightest, but this is how I do all my hearts. I do lots of these for Valentine's Day. You can do them at all sorts of different angles. And there's all sorts of other artwork you can do with these brush nibs, and we cover all of this in the alcohol marker challenge. So if you want to learn how to be a pro with alcohol markers, you can go to thecraftchallenge.com. You can sign up for the next presentation. If it's past and you're not watching this live in October, we do keep kind of repeating it on a periodic basis. So you can just sign up for the next one. And you get all the supplies for the challenge too. You don't have to provide anything. So you can see how you can build this up. You know, you could do geometric, you could just do it more random like I'm filling up here. You could do it on the back of an envelope, and whoops, if you do one wrong, you can just kind of do it like that. So you see how this fills up. But these are really nice. They're super juicy as well. They come in at a great price point as well. I do have 2 packs to give away as well. So if you check out the blog post in the link below in the, you know, the description box, you can go over there. You can find out where I'm going to be giving these packs away. I'm going to give 1 pack away in one place and another pack away somewhere else. So go find out where I'm giving those packs away. And this is a really great way to practice, but of course you can have fun with kids as well. And you can do this with any brush tip. So this doesn't have to just be alcohol markers, but you can go around and you can do it. And what I would suggest you do is go on the back and do like a step 1. Let me grab my pen. So this is 2019, day 13, hearts. So, whoops, that's step 1. And then what I would do is do 2 apart. That's step 2. And then what I would do then is like a little bullet there. And then there's your 1. And there's your 2. And that kind of shows the process of it coming together. So maybe that explains it more. And of course, that almost looks like a little sycamore leaf as well. So you can create all sorts of things. If you did that with a green and you had a brown, so you could create your little brown dot, like a sycamore, wrong end. You could create your, or you could create mistletoe. Doesn't that look very like mistletoe-like for Christmas? I never thought of that before. I've never tried that. But then you've got mistletoe for Christmas as well. So I learned something new in the video today as well. So happy Inktoberfest. I'm learning things as well. So loads of fun things that we can do. I'm going to add this one into my book ring, just like this. And apparently I can't do that this evening. There we go. So now I have, look at this beautiful, colourful ring we've created. So if you haven't been following along, go check out the rest of Inktoberfest. There's giveaways still going on. If you're watching this after October, then you can still check out all the tutorials. You can still learn everything. We do this every single October. So there are tons of things you can learn. You can go and check out last year's Inktoberfest as well. Lots of fun things to learn as well. So I hope you enjoy this. As I say, don't forget to check out the alcohol marker challenge. Hit subscribe, like, check out the blog post, all of those fun things. And I will see you again tomorrow with even more tips and tricks. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you then. Bye.